Hello everybody, Ricardo Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today I want to give you a tip on how to increase your credit scores pretty quickly. What you do is if you have any credit cards, grab them all and call up your credit card companies and ask them to increase your credit limit. I don't know if you know, but 30% of our credit score comes from how much debt we have on our credit report. The more debt that we have, the less our scores become. Also, in that same area, the bureaus look at our credit utilization ratio. So for example, let's say we have a credit card with a $10,000 limit and our balance is $5,000. That means that we have a 50% credit utilization ratio. If we increase our limit to, let's say, $15,000, we just decreased our credit utilization ratio, which will increase our credit scores. Make it a habit. I do it once a year. I have an alert on my phone, on my calendar once a year. And what I do is that when that alarm goes out, I pull out all my credit cards, I call all my credit card companies, and I ask them to increase my spending limit. Right now, I have some credit cards where my credit limit is $75,000, $50,000, $35,000. So by doing this, it will help increase your credit scores. I hope this helps you out. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to call me. Thank you very much.